Before we begin, I must remind you that trading does carry significant risk, and all information in this video is provided for educational purposes only and is not an offer or recommendation to trade future stocks, options, or Forex. So to start, the control panel is the central hub for all NinjaTrader functions. You can go anywhere from opening up a chart, checking your account, checking orders within that account, opening up workspaces, loading in third-party tools, or exporting data. You can go ahead and set all of that up, including connections from the control panel. And as you can see here, we have the control panel loaded. Along the top here, you have your menu functions such as new, tools, workspaces, connections, and help. Below here, you have your orders. You also have tabs for executions, strategies, positions that you may be in, your accounts and information, and a log of all the processes that are going on. Now you'll notice a button here on the bottom left hand corner. It says gray. If you hover over it, it'll say no connections. When you do have a connection, this will be green. When there is an interruption in connection, this will be red. Let's go ahead and start with the top. If you click on new, you'll notice you have a bunch of different functions here, anywhere from basic entry order screens to the FX Pro order board, order ticket, the Super DOM. You can open up a chart here, depth chart, the FX board here as well. You can open up account data. You can even open up trade performance here as well. Moving over to the tools, you have a lot of different functions here, such as database management, hotkeys, historical data. You can also import third-party tools. If you go to import, you'll notice it has backup file, historical data, NinjaScript add-on, where you would add third-party tools on here, and stock symbol list. You can also export data, such as a backup file, historical data, or the NinjaScript as well. You can remove third-party tools by clicking Remove NinjaScript Assembly here. If you have a live account set up, you also have this feature available here, the Global Simulation Mode. With this checked, this puts your account in a sim mode, so every order that you take will be in sim. If this is unchecked, it will be a live order here, across all accounts. So again, if this is checked, it will be a sim order across all accounts, sim trading. If this is unchecked, then this will go ahead and give you a live order across all accounts. Under options here, you have a few different options. You can go going through general, trading, and strategies to go ahead and make any adjustments there. Going back into tools under database management, you can go ahead and roll over any futures instruments here. You can update general properties, symbol mappings, anything that you want down here, reset or repair database if you're having any issues. Again, under tools, you'll find instruments and instrument lists. Under here, you can find the myriad of markets that you can go ahead and play. Under workspaces, you can have different workspaces loaded here. You can create a new workspace and title the workspace here. You can also go here, and if you hover over one of the workspaces, you can go to Save, Save As, Close, or remove that workspace. Under connections, you'll notice a bunch of different connections here. You can also go ahead and configure a new connection by going to Configure, picking the broker here, and going through and putting in your username, password, and any other settings that the broker tells you to go ahead and put specifically for NinjaTrader 8. Under Help, you have resources and a help guide. This is a comprehensive help guide that walks you through a lot of the different features in a very detailed fashion, so you can go ahead and click on that if you need help at any time. You have email support here, so which will bring up this window, and you can go ahead and quickly and efficiently send an email to support while also sending your log and trace files as well. Also under Help, you can go down here and go to third-party licensing, and if you have any third-party tools, then this is where you go ahead and set up their vendor name and your user-defined ID and send it off to them. Also under Help, you'll notice that you have a license key specific to your machine, and you can always click on the About to see the latest software version that you have right here. And that wraps up this version of NinjaTrader 8 hacks.